Hello, science explorers! Today, we're diving into the world of magnets. Have you ever noticed how a magnet can pull things toward it or push them away? That's magnetism, an invisible force field. Magnets come in all shapes and sizes, but they all have this special power. This power creates a magnetic field, like a bubble around the magnet. When certain objects enter this bubble, the magnet can grab them. No touching needed. Every magnet has two ends, called poles, north and south. The force is strongest at these poles. If you try to push two north poles together, they repel, but a north and a south pole snap together. Opposites attract. Magnets aren't just for fun. They're in toys, speakers, and even medical machines. Understanding magnets helps us understand the world around us. So grab your science goggles. We're about to explore what magnets can and can't do. Let's get started. What do magnets love to pull? Magnetic materials. These are objects like paper clips and metal spoons, magnets' best friends. When a magnet gets close, it pulls these objects right in. Why? Because they're made of special stuff that responds to the magnet's force. Inside, they have tiny parts that line up and turn the whole object into a temporary magnet. That's why a paper clip jumps to a magnet or a spoon sticks tight. Other examples? Screws, nails, and even the metal legs of a chair. Even your refrigerator door is magnetic. That's why magnets stick to it. Only certain materials get to play with a magnet's invisible force. So next time you see something stick, you'll know it's part of the magnetic club. Magnets and their friends make a powerful team. Let's see what doesn't stick. Not everything is a magnet's friend. Some things just don't stick. These are called non-magnetic materials, like wood, plastic, rubber, and glass. Bring a magnet close and nothing happens. No pull, no push. Why? They don't have the special stuff inside that responds to magnets. Try it. A pencil, eraser, or plastic toy won't budge. Even some metals like aluminum and copper are non-magnetic. The magnet's force just passes right through. This is important. Sometimes we need things that don't stick. Engineers use both magnetic and non-magnetic materials to build amazing machines. So if your magnet ignores something, it's just not built for the magnetic team. Now, let's find out what makes something magnetic. Ready for the secret ingredients? What makes something magnetic? It's all about the metal. The main stars iron, nickel, and cobalt. If something is made of these, it's almost always magnetic. Iron is the most common. Think paper clips, nails, and steel tools. Even rusty metal is still magnetic. Nickel and cobalt are less common, but super important, used in coins, headphones, and computer hard drives. Not all metals are magnetic. Aluminum, copper, gold, and silver aren't. So if you wonder if something will stick, ask, is it iron, nickel, or cobalt? These three are the real magnetic superheroes. Now it's your turn to be a magnet detective. Time to be a scientist. Let's go on a magnetic treasure hunt at home. Grab a magnet and a piece of paper. Make 2 columns. Object and magnetic. Yes, no. Test different items. Keys, coins, forks, plastic toys, books, socks, cans. Guess if each will stick, then try it and record your results. Test things made of metal, plastic, wood, fabric, and glass. When you're done, look at your chart. Which things were magnetic, which weren't? You'll see that only certain metals like steel or iron stick, while others don't. You've just discovered the difference between magnetic and non-magnetic materials. That's real science. Observe, test, and learn. Great job, science explorer.